Hi everyone, this is Dr. Stephen Green from Make the Grade Tutoring. I want to talk to you about some options you would have for yourself or for your child for summer tutoring. Summer is a great time to take advantage of the relatively amount of free time you have, but maybe more importantly, to avoid the drop-off that often happens during the summer. Number one, you can address SAT or ACT prep. If you're a sophomore or junior or even a senior and you need to deal with these tests in the fall, summer's a great time to address this. You typically have more time to do it. I can handle all areas of the SAT and the ACT. I've given you a list here of the upcoming test. This test in August on the 26th is the first time they've ever had an SAT in the summer. I've already gotten a lot of interest in prepping for this test, but prepping for an SAT is really important. It makes it so much easier. It increases scores. I could go through hundreds of case studies. So think about this, number one. Number two is academic subjects, reviewing what you've already had, previewing what you're going to have. I specialize in all levels of math and several of the sciences. Often I'll go back over a class with somebody, maybe you struggled in it or you didn't do as well as you needed to, or maybe it's a prerequisite for what's coming up. Or we can look at a class that you're going to have in the fall and try to get a head start on it. So just to give you a quick example, I had a girl last year who was taking chemistry in the fall. She was a little intimidated, somewhat by the math and the overall content. We spent the summer, we got through the first 4 chapters of the book, covered all sorts of things. It took us halfway into the second marking period. She had a 97 average first quarter of her junior year, and maybe more importantly, it took the pressure off that class and the rest of her schedule, and it was very easy to maintain the rest of the school year. She got an A this year in chemistry. It's awesome. College admissions. This would be limited primarily to people who are going to be juniors or seniors. Never too early to start doing this. Early and often, especially your essays. Getting into the application process, the essays, but really you need to have a timeline, and I can help provide you with that of this overall process. I've written a book, Maximum Education. I'm proud to say it's a #1 Amazon bestseller. Deals with 3 really important things every student needs: time management, information management, and then a daily action plan to apply these. And these are things I cover a lot in the summer as well with people. Really more to set you up for the fall, but this is big picture stuff, very important. The way we would get started is to sit down. The assessment is always free. Figure out where you're at, figure out where you need help, do an evaluation, create a plan, and then execute the plan. This makes sense. This is objective-based teaching, and we're going to make it work. So here's how you get started contacting me. Here's the office phone number, my personal cell, a couple websites for the company for the Maximum Education book and programming. If you want to schedule directly, there's a subset of the Make the Grade page there. You can email me or you can follow me on social media. There's the Twitter link. So the purpose of this video is to just give you a quick idea of some of the important things you can look at in the summer and go from there. Thank you for listening. Looking forward to meeting you, answering your questions, and going from there. Thank you.